Good morning everybody. So today we will start exercise 1.1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. That number line is given. It's 0, right to 0 it's a positive. That is a positive integer. Left to the 0 negative integer. At 5 degrees Celsius it's given that Shimla, and then here it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ooty 14, am I right? And then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, Bengaluru. That is a positive. Am I right here? And the negative, then Simla and then Lahaul Spiti. Am I right? Now look at the first question. The first question is, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Am I right? First part, look at the first part. That is, cities it's given, and then whose temperature, cities and temperature. Am I right here? Now cities, what it is given there? First one is Lahaul Spiti. It's a negative integer, am I right? So 0, minus 1, it's minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 degree Celsius. And then after that, Srinagar. That is 0, minus 1, minus 2. That is left to the 0. Left to the 0 means what? Negative integer. So minus 2 degrees Celsius. And then after that, Shimla. It is right to 0. Right to 0, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So plus 5 degrees Celsius. Plus 5 degree Celsius. And then after that, Ooty. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Plus 14 degrees Celsius. Ooty, 14 degree Celsius. And then Bengaluru. 15, 20, it is which one is 20? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22. 22 degrees Celsius. Am I right here? So this is the first part of the question number 1. Then second question, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coolest placed among the above? So what is the hottest temperature? Tell me. Hottest temperature, Bengaluru. That is what? 22 degrees Celsius. 22 degree Celsius. Are you getting there? The temperature of the hottest place. Second one, the temperature of the hottest place. The temperature of the hottest place. The temperature of the hottest place is how much? 22 degrees Celsius. How much degrees Celsius? 22 degrees Celsius. Now, the temperature of the coldest place. That means what? Least. That is Lahaul Spiti. That is what? Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Am I right here? Yes. That means the temperature of the coldest place. The temperature of the coldest place. The temperature of the coldest place is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 degree Celsius. Now what is the second part for you? Find the difference between hottest place and the coldest temperature. Am I right here? Then difference means it's nothing but greatest integer minus smallest integer. Please remember, greatest integer minus smallest integer. So that is, here what is the greatest integer? 22 degrees Celsius, minus smallest, that is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Then 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Which is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Are you getting dear? Yes. So we completed the second part in the first question. Shall we move to the third part now? Yes. Now read out the third part. What is the given question? What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Okay. Shall we move? Yes. C part. C part. The temperature of C part. The temperature of Lahul Spiti. Temperature of Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius, and then temperature of Srinagar, I think so. Temperature of, what is the difference between the temperature of Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Then temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now, my question is, here what is the question for you? What is the difference between, what is the difference, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Okay dear. Now, here which one is the greatest integer, sir? Which one is the greatest integer? Minus 8 is the greatest integer or minus 2 is the greatest integer? Already you learned in class 6. Yes. Which one is the greatest? Yes. The smallest negative integer is the greatest one, and then greatest negative integer is the smallest one. So therefore the difference means, difference is, the smallest negative integer is the greatest one, that is minus 2 degrees Celsius, minus of greatest, difference means what? Greatest integer minus smallest integer. So which one is the greatest, and then minus smallest is minus 8 degrees Celsius, that is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius, minus into minus is plus 8 degrees Celsius. Now what is the difference dear? Minus 2 plus 8 plus 6 degree Celsius. 6 degree Celsius. Are you getting dear? Yeah. Shall we move to the next one? Now look at the question number D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of Simla? By saying we cannot conclude. First we will find, what you have to find? Can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together? Srinagar and Simla you have to take, that the temperature of Simla and Srinagar, that is the sum of the temperature of Simla and Srinagar. First we will take temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius, temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. What is the question for you? The temperature of Simla and Srinagar taken together. Am I right? Yes. Temperature of Simla and Srinagar taken together. Is equal to, what is the temperature of Simla? 5 degrees Celsius. Otherwise first you tell Srinagar. What is Srinagar? Temperature of Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius plus Simla 5 degrees Celsius. So minus 2 plus 5 is how much? 3 degrees Celsius. Now they ask you to compare the temperature of Simla and Srinagar with which one? Yes, temperature of, once again I will read the question, listen here. That is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of again Simla only. So what is the temperature of Simla? Temperature of Simla is what? 5 degrees Celsius. So 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. So this 3 degrees Celsius is less than the 5 degrees Celsius. Yes, because 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. These 3 degrees Celsius means what? That the temperature of Simla and Srinagar taken together is less than the temperature of Simla. Temperature of Simla. Are you getting there? I think so. Today one question is enough. Okay, and then tomorrow we will do question number 2, 3 and 4. Are you getting there? So we will go slowly initially and then later on we will increase our speed. So please remember that greatest negative integer is the smallest one and then smallest negative integer is the greatest. If I am asking you to compare minus 101, minus 89, which one is the greatest? Minus 89 is the greatest. Am I right here? When you are comparing 0 and positive integer, okay, then this is a positive, this one is greater. When you are comparing negative integer and positive integer, which one? Positive integer is always greater. Positive integer is always greater. Are you getting there? Yes. Today this question is enough. Only one question is enough for today. So please, every day, each and every day, complete your work. Okay. That means you have to write whatever I am teaching in a. I am posting video. You have to write down in your max copy each and every day. Right? Don't accumulate because that government may ask you to open the school at any time. At that time you may face problem. So to avoid, what you can do, please complete your work then and then, don't accumulate, don't carry forward. Are you getting there? Yes. Thank you everybody. Thank you.